We all know the phrase, "that was a piece of cake," a saying that implies something was easy to accomplish, often simpler than originally expected. Yet preparing a cheesecake that passed muster for a mom and her daughter in Colorado last week proved anything but. In a post on Instagram's Threads that has commenters from around the nation weighing in on the cheesecake's lightweight proportions, Claire Johnstone shared how, as a newcomer to her area, she sought local advice on Facebook about where to find a great cheesecake for her daughter's birthday celebration. All signs pointed to a neighborhood home baker who baked cheesecakes that customers claimed they were still dreaming about. Upon receiving the confection, however, the cake appeared more like a pancake than a cheesecake, a nightmare rather than a dream, with the raspberries atop it actually being higher than the cake itself. And a measuring tape told the tale, clearly demonstrating a cheesecake that wasn't even an inch high. Shocked and disappointed, but with no other options, Johnstone made the best of the situation, topping the cake with candles that towered above the humble cheesecake. After requesting a refund of her $50 purchase price and being turned down, she took matters into her own hands and posted the now viral video online, where it made the rounds on morning talk shows around the world. What I fully appreciated about this whole unfortunate incident was Johnstone's tactful post took pains to leave out the name of the baker involved. Though she could easily have taken her sweet revenge by calling her out, she chose instead to shame the cake, not the home chef. In our era of empowered consumers, it's all too easy to go on the attack on social media. And that's one thing when the target of your scorn is a big box store. But when it's a small business that perhaps simply had a bad day, I see no purpose in bringing potentially viral hatred. By keeping the woman's name out of the conversation, Claire Johnstone took the high road. And her restraint delivered just desserts, as restaurant chain The Cheesecake Factory entered the conversation and offered Johnstone and her daughter a $100 gift card for a cheesecake of their choosing. Now, isn't that sweet?